Hello, hello, beautiful friends. Lori here from Beauty Simplified by Lori. I'm excited that you're here. Hopefully I can provide you some value with how to blow dry your hair, okay? I am all about big hair, big volume, but I really like it to be soft and feel good and not feel crunchy. And I like to do it once and then not wash my hair for like 4 days, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I wear my hair on day one, which is really just kind of blow dry, straight, I have like a bob, a short bob haircut, and so wearing it straight is fun. So let me talk to you about a few of the products that I love and am obsessed about. Obviously, I can't even talk. So first off, I like to go in with Launch's Root Booster. Again, I'm all about big hair. Now, this looks like a small bottle, but I'm telling you, a little bit of this goes a long way. And I like to spray it kind of right where I want that volume. Okay, and see how it kind of foams up once I get it in my hair, and I just kind of rub it in. Right at my crown, I like to have a lot of big volume. And then here on my sides, and I just kind of work it up into the roots. And that is where I really like my volume to be. Keep rubbing it, rub it in really good so that the hair soaks it in. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Launch's Rival Heat Shield. Now this stuff, you guys, not only does it smell like absolutely amazing, but it actually protects your hair from the sun, from all of the environmental factors, and it smells like watermelon kind of, but this stuff, I've never had a heat shield feel as good as what this one feels. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of rub it in, make sure that it's on my ends. If I feel like I have some really tender spots, I'll make sure to go in and take extra care with the heat shield. Okay, then I love this Posh hair polish. You can put this in your hair when it's wet or when it's dry. So I am, with my hair being blonde, sometimes us blondes, we don't have like that really pretty shine that other people have. And so I will use it on my curls, but I'm also just gonna kind of piece it through my hair in a couple of places, just to kind of give it a little bit of shine. It makes it look a little bit healthier. It smells good too. All right. Next is the sea salt spray, or salt and sea spray. This not only helps like texturize your hair, but it will, like, I can use it in place of hairspray on my curly hair days, and it holds my curls like magic. Okay. I just spray a little bit of that in, and then I will probably put more of it in after I dry my hair. But now on to the blow drying section. So what I like to do is I like to divide my hair up, and I usually do this 3 times. So I'll pull it up on the top of my head, use just one of these like little alligator clips, and I'm gonna start blow drying. One section done. Here we go. Next section down. And you can see I kind of like pull it up so that I'll have all the pieces that lay over the top. So again, alligator clip. And as you can see, I use 2 different sizes of brushes depending on where I'm doing my hair, because my hair is a lot longer in the front and shorter in the back. So you'll see me swap between those 2 brushes a lot. Okay, last section. Now a couple of things. As you see where I'm holding the brush, you want to make sure and pull upwards, okay? And you'll see me do this with my bangs, but the higher you keep the brush, the more volume you get. So if you're just brushing it down this way, you're not going to get nearly the volume that you get if you pull it up first, okay? So you'll see me do that quite a bit. Again, I'll switch between the 2 different brushes quite frequently. So here we go. Okay, so see how I'm holding the brush and I'm pulling it almost further than like this way? That's how I get the volume at the top of my hair. I kind of got caught off and I didn't really realize it. So I'm just going to kind of show you what I did up here on my hair and the importance of which way you blow dry your hair depending on where you're going to part it. Now I can do this on day 2 if I want to wear my hair straight again, and this just kind of re-energizes, reactivates the products, and just kind of gives it a little bit more volume. You do it the same way as if you would on day 1. Let's get going. So now you see, I don't see, but you see how I've kind of blown it all this way and how I re-energized the top pieces again. I mean, look at the volume I'm getting. It's kind of crazy. So then when I go to part it on this side, see how you can part it either way and it just kind of gives you a completely different look. And if I want to part it this way, so it really, I never know which way I'm going to part my hair. It just is like whenever it decides to go one way better than the other, that is the way I part it. Now, if I see that I've got like a little bit of frizz going on, I'll take my handy dandy little straightener and just kind of top off these ends. Like that. And it just makes for a little bit smoother of a finish. Although many times when it's day 1, I'm really not that worried about it. Like, I just will blow dry it, add a little bit more product to it, and I'm good to go. So if you need a straightener because of some extra frizz, go for it. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with my Salt and Sea texture spray, and you're gonna watch. Actually, I'm gonna poof it a little bit. I'm gonna poof it right up here at the top. I like to just do a little bit of back combing with my 80s pin comb. Wowza. Wowza, right? Spray it with some sea salt texture spray. Give it that really pretty shine. And then the great Chic, which has 3 different settings for the spray, whether or not you want a light hold, a medium hold, or a heavy hold. And usually I will go for between a light and a medium. And it smells so good, you guys. And if you are struggling with getting like this much volume like I get, then go back in at this point and add in some of the dry shampoo, and that will help lift your hair up, like a lot. Like if I was to take this, I'm gonna shake it up good. It will like give my hair there you go, my friends. That is how I blow dry my hair. Hopefully the back looks okay, since I haven't been able to see it while I'm doing this. But hopefully you get the idea of how I like to blow dry my hair on day 1. And then remember, before you go to bed, this is a tip, before you go to bed, take your Deja Vue shampoo, dry shampoo, and spray underneath where you know your hair like gets a little bit greasy from sleeping on it, and it will absorb the oil as it happens, instead of getting into the hair and then trying to use the dry shampoo to pull it out of the hair. That's a cool little tip. So if you guys have any questions, shout out, drop a comment below. Let me know how you're liking my videos and what you would like to see. And please be sure and subscribe and share this video. And if you are interested in my makeup, drop a comment below that says makeup, and I'll reach out to you and let you know what I use. So there you go, you guys. Have a great day, and thanks for tuning in.